Hello guys, and welcome to the video that you're waiting for. So we are gonna get our hands dirty. So we will set up our lab. So we need to set up our lab. We need to download a VMware workstation. So just I will show you how to do so. So just go to Google, download VMware workstation Pro. You can do that. So just enter to the first link. It's really easy, so I won't do it. If you're using Linux, you can download it directly through your Linux distribution. Otherwise, if it's a Windows, you can go through the download of Windows. After downloading it, extracting it, installing it, you just go next. You will get this interface. So yeah. Second thing to do after downloading your VMware workstation, so you will have to download the image, the Linux RHCSA image, and to do so I'll give you this link in the description. So you need to create an account. It's free, totally free. You just create an account, and I'll give this link in the description so you can access directly. You have two options here. So the network install image option, this one, if you don't have a good network, it will just be 1 giga or something like that, and it will download the necessary packages after that. We only need this one, so you can download it. I already did, as you can see. This is the image. I put it in another place. So yeah. And if you have a good internet, like you can download the whole distribution, the DVD with 10 gigabytes, but it will be an overkill. It's not necessary, so probably you should just go and download this one directly. So yeah. So after the download, we will go through the VMware. So my VMware is opened. I'll go for file. I will just create a new folder here. I'll name it RHCSA. So just for you guys, I'll put it not inside anything. Give me just a second. Let's put it here, and I will create a virtual machine. So new virtual machine. We go through recommended, no problem. For the ISO, you will just need to extract the ISO that you downloaded. So for me, I go through boxes. I have a lot of boxes in here, and one of them is the 9.3, the ISO that I want. So yes, we put next. So it's a Linux, it's a Fedora. We change this one. We can go Red Hat 9. Next. For me, I install it in a specific place. So yeah, feel free to install it where you want. I have a specific disk for images, so I'll name it RHCSA. Okay, next, there's no problem, we can go with 20 gigabytes, and next, then we will go for finish. So it's really straightforward. I'll just add some memory. So it really depends on your computer. I'll go for 2 processors just to make this more smooth, and I will start my virtual machine. So as you can see, it's starting now. It's really easy process to do. So we go through install Red Hat, the first one, as you can see, and it's loading. Whenever it takes a long time, I'll go for fast forwarding a bit. So yeah, I think this one don't take a lot of time to boot up. Okay, good. Perfect. So we have our system up and running. I'll go for, what's this? It's in Arabic, so I'll go for English. Yes, this is better. this is really important, guys. So change the keyboard. It's QWERTY by default. So yeah, you try to change it to French. Well, for me, French is AZERTY. So if you're using QWERTY, it's okay. This is also important. You need to register. So I'll be registering my account. Go for done. Automatic partitioning. So yeah, you just check like I did. So I always create an account. I'll just do an easy password for the root access. It's really straightforward. For the user creation, I will create a user named Kali, for example. Kali for the password too. And here, this is really important, guys. So if you need to go for a workstation, so the workstation have a lot of features we can go with. Even though this GUI is interesting, but it's really minimal install, so you won't have what you want. So let's go directly through the workstation. You go for done, and then you can begin the installation. By the way, if the internet doesn't add up or something, just check on this one and enable it. But in my case, it's enabled by default, so yeah, I'm good to go. Begin installation. So it takes some time, the installation. It will be downloading some packages because I did install the 1 GB version, the ISO with 1 GB. So I will pause it right now and we will get back to it when it's done. Installation is complete, so I'll go for rebooting the system. So it will take like around a minute and a half or anything like that. It depends from your disk. So if it's an SSD, it will go more smooth than an HDD, of course. So in our case, I have an SSD. So this is the distribution. So it's on. You have the user that I created. And now I don't want to go through a tower. So we're good to go. I'll go for this terminal. So I always edit the preference, so I'll just edit them with you guys, like real quick. I just put 14 on this. I might go 16. Okay, it's going to be more clear to you. So yeah, we have now the distribution. It's up and running. As you can see, it's really easy. So we have now our setup. Everything is good. So for the next video, we will go through listing files, file management in general. Thank you for watching.